Nitish. I have joined HICM Institute for Investment Banking, where I have learned capital market, fund accounting, finance modeling chapters, and I recommend this course to other students as well who's looking to make their career in investment banking. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shalini. I am from Bangalore. I have joined HICM Institute for Index-Based Trading course under the guidance of Gautam sir. Here they teach you stock trading, intraday trading, swing trading, technical and fundamental analysis, futures and option tradings and many more so that you can become an independent trader. As a homemaker, I have lifted up my career with the help of HICM Institute. So, I recommend this course to each and everyone so that they can choose trading as their profession. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Victor Solomon and I have joined HICM Institute for an investment banking course and I have learned capital markets, fund accounting and financial modeling. So those who are looking for investment banking course, I request you all to join in HICM Institute. Here I have got a trainer named called Gautam. He is very helpful and very skill set person, and he is explaining the concepts very well in detail, both practical and in the theoretical manner. So I have gained a lot and I have upgraded my skills in investment banking. So I request, if you are looking for a career in investment banking, I request you to join HICM Institute and you can upgrade your skills and you can jump into investment banking field. So really this course is helpful for me and I have upgraded my skills, and really I am looking forward to looking for a great career in investment banking.
Yeah, hi there. My name is Pratik Kevin and I have joined HICM Institute for Index-Based Trading course. I learned about the stock market, intraday trading, futures and options, and technical and fundamental analysis. I recommend this course to other students as well as people who are looking to learn stock market course and other things related to that.
Hi, all. My name is Tejas Gupta. I am from Bangalore. I have joined HICM Institute for Investment Banking course. I have learned about capital market, fund accounting and financial modeling chapters, loan and mortgage process. I recommend this course to other students as well as who are looking for to make their career in investment banking. Thank you.
Hi all, my name is Ramasan from Bangalore. I have joined a HICM Institute for Investment Banking course. I learned about capital market, fund accounting and financial modeling chapters, even loan and mortgage process also. I recommend this course to other students as well as who are looking to make their career in investment banking. So thank you.